My name is Becky Aete. I teach English and literature.
My name is Gloria Sifuna. I teach English and literature. So the books that they have been reading, the Form 3 and Form 4, specifically Blossoms of the Savannah by Henry Olekulet. It deals with female genital mutilation and how girls, basically in the Maasai land, do not have rights. They cannot speak for themselves. They're forced into early marriages.
Basically, those texts handle the position of the woman in the society. Instead of taking that forefront position in the society, they take that back seat, and they are compelled to do so. So much so that they have resigned. So resignation is a major theme in the texts. In Siaya region, there are challenges that are abound here that relate well with the challenges of women in the society, in the Maasai community. Girl child education is not taken as something prime. Yeah? You'll find a situation where the boy child is given more opportunity compared to the girl child. The idea that the girl child is not given priority in education causes the parents not to be very eager to pay their school fees. Suffice to say that they will not even be given, say, stationery and other items that they require to further their education properly.
So poverty is one thing that is affecting our girls. The sanitary towel is extremely expensive. I don't know why it is extremely expensive, that you find these girls will interact with the bike men. We call them boda men, piki men, those people who cycle motorbikes for a living. So they will go to them to just get money, and that money will not come for free. They'll definitely ask for sexual favors. There is a lot of insecurity in this place. So my father has girls. They tell my father that you have wasted your time educating a girl. A girl will get married, and then it's like, where hauna mtoto, you don't have a child, and fighting, always competing with boys, showing them that I can do it. Whatever you can do, I can be better.
I think I would say that as a result of being educated ladies, it is easier to fight for your space because you teach some subjects that your male counterparts also teach. So you are able to tell them off and really inform them that should I conceive, it's a natural process. Therefore, I don't have to be punished, and no other female should suffer as a result of, a very normal condition that can happen to a human person.
We just speak out for ourselves. We always argue in the staff room. We speak out. That's all. And we find out, I think I find my resilience in my students, because when you teach them and they appreciate, that keeps you going. I only hope for the best for them. I tell them, don't let anyone tell you that you are a nobody, because you matter. My role as a teacher is to encourage them, to be their friend, to listen to them, apart from just educating them. My students, they inspire me when they say thank you for teaching us. They do their assignments and they are able to reproduce what you have taught. I think that is very good to me. It encourages me. It makes me smile. So they make me wake up very early and come to school. Yeah.